Okay, guys, let's answer 3A. Okay, guys, did you do part B? Yep. Shall we do it together? Right. Sales 10,000. Favorable or unfavorable? Favorable. Unfavorable. Yep. Then cost of sales 15K. Favorable. Gross profit 5. Favorable. Inventory gain or loss? Loss. Okay. So then what's the difference here first of all? 5,700. Very good. Everyone get it? Yeah, 5,700. Yes, Varun? Yeah. What's it, good or bad? Sorry? Unfavorable. Right. Then adjusted gross profit is 700. Unfavorable. Right. Aston, you were talking about this one? That's
No, the one below profit of disposable vehicle. Is that just like a sum of it?
I didn't get you.
Like see under profit of disposable vehicle,
Yeah.
the one below that. What's
Here?
that one? What's that one?
Yeah, that is.
No.
The 5,300.
The 5,300. Yeah.
53,000.
And
On the left.
yeah, what are those?
It doesn't give.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, that one doesn't have a term. Why? I mean, I can give you a term. That's the operating actually profit, but in your study design, guys, you are not given. Okay, now remember the income statement we were doing?
Yeah.
Do you have those due now?
Yeah.
Yes? You're meant to bring it up?
Yeah. Cost
Yeah.
of revenues and then
Yes.
less cost of goods sold.
Yes. Yes. For this one, guys, in your study design,
Oh, is it just the total?
sorry,
Is that the total?
that's a total. Okay, however, your point is absolutely correct. I'll show you. Okay, where did we do in income statement? Which tute? Was it number 12? Yeah, I have a look here. This is the one you are going to talk about, yes? This is the one you are referring, yeah?
Yeah.
So where is the name here? Where is the term here? Nothing. So until this time you guys didn't realize, yes? Yep.
So what's the
You had learned perfectly, yep.
So what's the term?
Yeah, there's nothing, but I can give you, that's called operating profit. But in your study design, we don't do that. If you do accounting in the uni, yeah, that you would do.
What if you write it down? We'll use them all.
No, don't write it down. Because why? If you check if you want, I can show you the textbook as well. There's nothing, guys. Okay? Even in unit 3-4 also, we don't name anything for that one. Okay? Right. Okay. Now, right. Profit on disposal. Actually, profit on disposal, we haven't done it as yet, but what do you think, guys? That's the revenue. Consider it as a revenue. 5,000 is the variance. What is it? Favorable. Very good. Then the total, guys, 4,300. Favorable. Right. Wages, 1,000. Unfavorable. Rent,
Does.
unfavorable. Then 700. Favorable. Interest,
400.
unfavorable. Net profit dollars, 1,000. Yeah, 1,600. Favorable. Wonderful. Okay, this one, part C. Did you try it? Try it, guys.
It says overpaid.
Yes.
So does that mean they paid
Too much.
too much, but then it would have been another extra payment of $8,000 on top of that?
Yes. Read
So
the
that
question.
means they shouldn't have paid anything. They should be
Yeah,
getting.
yeah. Read the question and also consider there is an expense here. Yeah, rent expense. How much? 14,000. So analyze everything and tell me the answer.
Is it 14K?
14K. Others, guys?
Or is it just 12K?
Oh, 12K, yes. Others?
12K?
Sorry?
12K?
12K. Yes, Pranav? Don't know.
Nice guess.
How much?
6K.
Yes, okay.
Yes, Christian. And Sash.
How much rent has been paid?
Yeah.
during the year?
Yeah, how much of rent has been paid during the year?
Will it just be paid here?
Sorry?
Okay.
Yeah. Any other answers? Yes. How much? 14. How much did you say, Harry? 14. Yeah. And 6. Yes. Sash? I don't know. 12. Okay. All of you are.
Wrong. It is 6.
It's 2,000.
Okay. Now this one can be done in 2 ways. Okay.
Should be like 4,000.
But at this point,
That should be like 4,000.
no. At this point, I'll just help you with the common sense. Right? There's another method. I can't teach you right now. We will do it in Unit 4 actually. Okay? So it is easy. In Unit 4 it will be easier. But this is common sense. Okay, now have a look, guys. Now, first you have to understand, right? I know it's a little bit confusing. You have to understand what we report in the income statement is what? Expenses, yes, right? Expenses, meaning how much we have incurred regardless of the cash payment or cash receipt if it was a revenue, yeah. Regardless of the cash payments, we are reporting how much we have incurred, meaning incurred means how much of expense we have consumed, yeah, how much of expense we have used, okay, regardless of paying it or regardless of paying the rent or not. Yes. Okay, now what is happening, guys? Business had overpaid 6,000 of rent. Yes. So then how much is our rent expense? Yeah, how much is the rent expense? 14,000. Yes. From this 14,000, yeah, so this 6,000 when we start the period, what has happened had been already paid. For which year? For this year. That means for this 14,000, yes, partially 14,000 has been settled already. Yes, that means you have to take away overpaid or overpaid rent at the beginning, at start. Yeah, I'll write it here somewhere here. Right, overpaid rent at the start of period. Okay, is how much? 6,000 that you are subtracting. Then what is remaining, guys? 8,000. That means this 8,000, what should have happened? Should have been paid during this year, right? Rent paid. I'll write in a different color. Rent paid in this year for the current year, right? So that means the rent paid and incurred in this period itself. Is it clear? So we have to pay 14,000 for the landlord, right? To the landlord from this one. When we start the period, we had already paid 6,000, right? Total we should have paid how much? 14,000. Yes, from 14,000 we already paid. We had paid 6,000 in the previous period. Now how much do we have to pay more? 8,000. That 8,000, what will happen? We would be paid. Not only that, in this year itself, yes, 8,000 will be paid for this year in this year itself. Is it clear? Yeah. So 8,000 has been paid in this year. Not only that, for the next year also, we are paying another 8,000. So that means how much of rent has been paid altogether? Twice of 8,000, yeah? 16,000. Makes sense? That's a common sense, guys. Anybody can figure it out, yes? Do you have to have, should we have done accounting necessarily to understand that or no? Okay? Anybody can understand, alright? But accounting techniques, right, I'm going to teach you next year. I can't do it now. We have to do it for ledger, we have to ledger accounts.
Wait, so the rent expense, what is that for? 14,000.
14,000 is the rent amount that is relating to this year. That we have to pay, for the use of the premises.
So it was charged 14,000.
Yeah, charge 14,000 for the use of the premises. We have to pay 14,000 to the landlord for this year.
So we had to pay 14,000.
We have to pay 14,000.
But we already paid 6,000.
Yeah, from out of the 14,000, 6,000 we had already paid in the previous year, right?
So where would that be recorded? Last year.
Yeah. So in the last year's cash flow. If we prepare a cash flow statement in the previous previous year's cash flow, we would have recorded.
And what would it be recorded as?
Doesn't matter because it's cash. So when you pay and receive cash, do you identify this is for that year, this is for this year, next year? Did you identify that? No. That's cash anyway. Yes. But when we prepare the income statement, that's where we are doing. For this year, how much is the revenue? For this year, how much is the expense? That's the income statement for. Right? Make sense, guys? Makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay? Alright. Then 8,000 we rent paid in this year for the current year. 8,000. That means plus rent paid for next year. How much? 8,000. So altogether, how much is the rent paid? Total rent paid. Total rent paid. Yeah. In this year or in the current year, whichever it is, in this year is 16,000. Is it hard? No. It is something that I made up. It is not, so it's not. You won't find it even in the textbook, right? Something that I wanted to make it beyond the requirement. Okay. Okay, guys. Any other questions with this one? Right. Yeah, this is the one, Alston, you asked me, yeah? Part D. Cost of sales,
Yeah.
favorable or unfavorable? What is it then?
Favorable.
Favorable. Cost of sales, let's write it. Cost of sales is favorable. Right? Because the budgeted cost of sales is shall we do the other way? Guys, sorry. we'll make it other way. Actual cost of sales is lower than the budgeted. Thus, the net profit will be higher than budgeted. So that's why we are saying, Alston, right? That's why we are saying, what is it? The cost of sales is favorable. Your point is also correct. What is your point? You said that, yeah, because we have made the lower sales, but we, without looking at just by looking at the cost of sales, we can't figure it out. How would we figure it out then? I have to look at the sales as well. Our sales has dropped. That's correct, right? That means, yeah, then on the overall impact on the profit can be lower, but that's not necessarily because cost of sales was lower. That's because, cost of sales is lower or higher. That's because sales, right, has dropped. Okay, all right. However, still, Alston, what is it? We have dropped only 10,000 sales, but we have, as a result, reduced cost of sales by 15,000. That means still we are getting a favorable position. Yes, that's why our gross profit became favorable.
Wait,
Yes.
can you tell the markup from that?
Yes, you can tell the markup. Markup has changes. Yeah, because now see, 50 markup for the actual one. What's the markup for the actual one, guys? What is markup here?
100%.
100%. Yes, correct. That's 100%. Right? What about the budgeted? We have to calculate. Which is?
70.
No, not 70. That's wrong. You are not calculating the... No, not 70. 70, yes. 70, 71.
Yeah.
21. So, what is it? 50 take away, 50 over 70, yes, times by 100. How much is it? Yeah, basically 71.5, something like that, 72%.
Can you explain it again from the start, please?
Sleepy? Come again?
Can you explain it again from the start?
Which one?
The whole thing.
What do you mean by whole thing?
What you just did now.
This markup thing? Markup I can explain.
Yeah.
How do you calculate the markup, Christian? If you are sleepy, you are falling into sleep, Ashton. Go wash your face and come. You fell into sleep 2 times.
Twice.
Yes.
No, wait.
Selling
that's-
price minus
Cost, yeah, which is the gross profit. Yeah.
Selling price minus
Cost of sales, yes, which is the gross profit. Then you get the calculate the profit or the gross profit.
Yeah.
Also, you can call the markup. Yeah. Why? That's what we learn. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Then how do you calculate the markup? Markup profit.
Then gross profit over
Cost of the sales.
cost of sales.
Yeah. COGS. Right. Times by 100. Okay. So then, what was for the actual one, Christian? So gross profit was 55k.
Yeah.
What is it? Cost of sales also 55 times by 100, which is 100%. Yeah, 55 goes into 55, 100%. Make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then what is it for actual? gross profit 50 over 70.
But you used cost of sales, not cost of goods sold. Right?
Yeah, because there is only one cost of sales. It also becomes a COGS pronoun here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So what is COGS? COGS is cost of sales plus other buying expenses. But here buying expenses is 0, meaning cost of sales will be
Cost of goods sold.
COGS in this question. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's 50 over 70.
Times by 100, which is we are getting almost 72%.
Okay.
You okay, Sash, with the markup?
Yeah.
Okay. Others are okay? I'm going to rub it. Okay, guys. Then, what is the other one? Yep. Such is one possible reason for the variance in depreciation of vehicles. Yes, guys, what do you think?
What was the question?
Yeah, party.
Maybe like the car is like popular.
Car is
Popular.
popular. Is that why it will depreciate?
Oh, why would we? Because over time.
So what's our variance, guys? Depreciation? Favorable. Yeah, favorable. But has happened then. Actually, you know the reason? Probably we might have sold a vehicle, which is reflected from this one. See, disposal means actually we sold. Dispose
So
means
midway,
yeah, we can sell it at any time.
and then that's why.
Probably no, because we might have we would have had more vehicles, right?
So midway through the period.
Yeah, halfway through, yeah, you can sell.
So that's why it didn't have the full time to depreciate.
Yeah.
So if
Otherwise, we had 2 vehicles, we sold one. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, shall I give you the answer?
Good man.
wait, you said rather than replacing.
Yep.
So if it got replaced, then it would have depreciated more.
Yeah, depreciate would have been like unfavorable, yes. Why? Because we are purchasing a new one that would have incurred more depreciation. Yeah. Okay, guys, next one, last one, this one, yeah. Explain why the owner should be concerned about the business performance.
Because even though there was a net profit, the adjusted gross profit the actual adjusted gross profit was still less than the budget.
Yeah, unfavorable. Then gross profit was favorable. Then what else?
Sales were also unfavorable.
Sales unfavorable. Also wages. See, even though our sales dropped by approximately 10%, or maybe maybe probably around 9%. Yeah, no, 8%, 8.5%. Yeah, 8.5%. But still, yeah, our wages has increased, which is not good. Yeah. Okay. Then what else?
There was an inventory loss of
Inventory has been a loss, like which is 5,700. Yes, sorry. Inventory loss is for 200, but the variance is 5,700.
Yeah.
Yep, that's also bad.
Interest expense.
Interest expense, what happened? Yeah, interest expense also has increased. Probably they might have got a loan, right? Probably. Yeah, good. However, the cost of sales is good, right? Okay, guys, we'll write it. Done, guys?
What, despite a what in sales?
Despite a fall in sales. Okay, guys, please start question 4.
Wait, what does that last sentence mean? Like, what does it mean? Inventory loss and wages have increased.
Have increased despite a fall in sales.
So are they meant to increase?
Sorry, are they?
No, are they meant to decrease?
Yes. Why? Because sales have dropped by what did I say? 8.5%. Yes. Yeah, makes sense. Sales dropped per now. 120 became 110. So difference is 10,000. 10,000 over 120 times by 100, which is 8.5, yes? Yeah. So then, what has happened? Even though the sales dropped by 9%, but our wages and inventory loss have increased. So is it a good sign?
No.
How do you do the third?
Third one? What is third one?
It's like the 96,500.
Yeah,
That's-
figure it out. Figure it out. I can help you. First, I want you to try.
Is this a net sale?
Come again?
Is this a net sale?
Yeah, that's a net sales. 96,500 is net sales. Done? You guys are done with part A? Shall we do it? Okay guys, sales. What is happening? Variance is 15,000. Unfavorable. Right, sales returns. Yeah, what do you have to do, guys? You have to do this bracket. How much? 4,000. Correct. Right, then Harry, you asked me a question. Yes, you okay with this one now? Good. Then what is the actual net sales? If anybody wants to give a term here, this is the net sales, guys. Yep. How much is it? 86. Right. And then variance here 10,500. Then good or bad? Unfavorable. Right. Then cost of sales 6. Yes. Unfavorable. Cartage in. What is it? Yep. Gross profit
31,000. Yeah. 31,000.
31,000. Yeah, we have to get the total, guys, here. I'll write it. 51,000. 55,000. Right. Then we have, if you want, we can figure out the total cost of goods sold, which is variance is 4,000, unfavorable. Yeah. Then gross profit 31.
Wait, do we have to write that?
Yeah, write it, guys. Yep. The total COGS. All right, if you want, this is the COGS. Okay. Okay, then what is it, guys? The variance in the gross profit 14. Yep. 14,500. What is it? Yeah. Unfavorable. Inventory loss 500. Yeah. Adjusted gross profit, guys. 28,700. And then this one is 14. 15,000. Yep. 15,000. Right. All of them are unfavorable. Yep. Except
We
one.
can just write F and U, right?
Yep. Wages
33,000.
33,000. Correct. Rent 3,000. Unfavorable. Depreciation 800. On interest, how much? 1100. Yep, very good. Then guys, you have to get the net profit. We can't get the total expenses here, however. Did you get the net profit, guys? 700 first one. Sorry, for the budgeted one? 1800?
Yeah, 1800.
Okay. 1800. Next one. This is a loss, yeah? 20?
5,300.
Again loss?
Yeah.
Big loss, yep. Yeah, then the difference is 20?
23,500.
Sorry?
23,500.
23,000? I had 27 as well. How much is it, the difference?
3,500.
3,500 is correct. What is it? Unfavorable. Both of them are losses, guys, yeah? Yeah, that means it is 23,500. Okay, you guys? Make sense? It's not 27, you are not adding them. Why? Net loss, anyway they had budgeted. Had that been a net profit? Yes, that's correct. Yep. Okay. Sorry. Part B.
There was less sales and high entry loss.
Yeah, two possible reasons for the variance in sales returns, yes? What is it, guys? High sales, low sales, low sales and high inventory loss. Okay. Low sales, then budgeted, and then next one is, what is it? High inventory loss.
Means that less.
No, inventory loss is that you have lost, damage, or theft.
Just more interest and you can't sell as much,
No, but sales returns. Sales returns has dropped, Harry.
How about?
Then how would it affect how would it be affected by inventory loss? Yeah. Because inventory loss has increased. Then if it was the opposite, then you are correct. Yeah. Yeah. So inventory loss has increased. Yes.
Yeah.
Then we can say, look, people have returned more because they were damaged.
Or we return less.
Yeah, sales return were less. Yeah, that's the thing.
So less defective product.
Less defective product. Yeah, quality is higher. Is it clear? Or yeah, Harry, you said like what I heard is you said that it's because inventory loss is higher. Yes,
Yeah.
that's why sales returns drop. No. If the opposite would have worked. Make sense? Because they were damaged, right? Couldn't be used. Then the customers returned it. So sales return increase, which also increased the inventory loss. Yeah. Okay. So, however, what we can say is, what is it? The quality, the inventory quality quality was higher or better. Okay guys, interest expense has been favorable, one of the few favorable ones, yeah? What do you think guys?
They took out another loan.
They took out another loan, yeah? So then what would have happened to the interest expense? Increase. So did the interest expense increase? No, it's opposite.
So repay loan, don't repay loan.
Yes, so we might have repaid more loan principal. Any other reason? Like basic economic students know that. Another one? What has happened? Now what is happening these days?
Interest rates.
Sorry?
Cash rate, interest rates are down.
Yes, interest rate was low. Yeah. Anyone else doing economics? No. You don't do Varun, yeah? Economics? Okay. So basically guys, we can say, I would say easily lower interest rate than budgeted. And then more loan principal which what is the spelling guys? PAL, like school principal. Okay, more loan principal has been paid. Yeah, when I said school principal, something reminded. Okay. If you're school, are you happy with your school principals, guys? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. You know, like in our school, we were a boys' school. Our school principal was notorious, so we chased him away. Students chased him away.
What? Students check.
Yeah, we chase him away. Yeah, that is funny. I'll tell you later.
You ran after.
Huh?
You ran after.
Yeah. What do you call it? Riot? What did you say?
Protest. You said ran.
Ran after?
Yeah.
No, not ran. Yeah, protest. Protest.
What were you protesting?
And some,
What were you protesting?
yeah, to chase him away. And also like some other funny things. I'll tell you later.
Why were you protesting? Like, what did you want him to change?
Yeah, because he was kind of bad. Yeah, we were boys' school. We had 3,500 students.
Oh.
What? Everyone was there.
Yeah, most of them.
Oh.
Except the lower school, lower, you know. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, how we did that is funny. I can't tell it because I'm recording. You know, I've been in trouble.
We need to do the same thing to our principals.
To whom? Sorry?
We need to do the same thing to our principals.
Yeah, don't do it. You guys don't do it. Yeah, recently in my elder son's school, somebody had, kind of signed a petition against the maths teacher, saying that he doesn't teach or something and wanted to change it, and then basically the student who initiated got 1 day school suspension.
Oh.
Yeah, so don't do it, okay, you guys. Okay, guys, now part D. Right. Explain the implications of the variance in gross profit. Yep. Yeah. What are the implications, guys, in the gross profit?
Higher cost of sales.
Higher cost of sales. Yep. But basically,
What's implication mean?
yeah, implications, not the reasons. Implications means what? Like
The negative
economic implications. Yeah, negative.
effects.
Yeah, effects. Negative effects. Correct. Because of that, what happens next? Bad. Yeah, that's the implication. Yeah, or good or bad. Usually bad. Right.
You can say
Then
So it results in lower net profits.
yes.
net loss.
Yeah, it will contribute to a net loss. Yes, we will not be able to cover up the expenses. Yes. Yep. Okay, guys. Write it. Unfavorable variance means variable in gross profit would make the expenses would make not to cover the expenses or other expenses and contributing to a net loss. Okay, all right, next one. Assess the profit performance of the business. What do you think, guys? As the practicing accountants or accounting students, what do you say?
Major net loss.
Major net loss, yeah, massive net loss, yeah. Anyway, they projected the net loss, but they didn't expected the net loss to be in this magnitude, yeah, this level.
So poor expense control.
Poor expense control, yes. What else? Overall, actually, poor expense control, and also have a look. The sales also dropped by how much? 15,000 as a percentage. 15%. Yep. No, 14%. 14% of 14% drop in sales. Yeah, 15,000. 15 divided by 105. So 15,000 as a percentage. 14% drop, almost 15%, right? Drop in the sales.
Whenever questions ask us how much did this decrease by, how much did this increase by?
Yeah, that's a good question. At this point, no. But when we do the ratios, yes.
Percentages.
Yes, ratios, counting ratios we are going to do. Right. So then that one is important. Then we are saying. Okay. Right. What else, guys? Right. Also, we can say, yeah, sales starting from the beginning. Sales is bad, Then cost of sales, even though the cost of sales is worse, yes. Cost of sales, sales guys, we dropped by 15% or almost. But look at the cost of sales. Cost of sales still has increased. Can't be, yes. Cost of sales should have been lower. Definitely, we should have got a favorable one, like we got in the previous question, right? So cost of sales, look at this, 6048, which is around 17%, right? Almost 17%, guys. Cost of sales has increased, very bad, right?
So you can say markup is too low.
Markup is too low as well, correct. Markup is too low, right? And then Carriage in is okay. Then inventory loss. What do you say? Inventory loss has increased, yes, meaning what does it indicate? Then inventory, what would you say if the inventory loss is bad? Theft, that means inventory controlling on inventory measurements, inventory management is weak, poor, yeah? Inventory management is poor, yes? What else, guys? Wages increased even though the sales increased, so probably staff productivity, labor productivity is low, right? We'll have to train them. Rent increased, right? Depreciation increased. So basically, except interest, right? All the others are, all the other expenses are bad, right? Disaster, yes. Hopeless. Right. So that ultimately contributed to a massive net loss. Okay, guys. Right. Yeah. Look at the net loss is actually more than 25%, more than quarter of the sales. Right. See, quarter of the sales they are losing. What a business. Okay, right. Right, guys.
Specifically?
Yep. Is the spelling correct? I don't know. Because some people write E at the start, yes? Which one is correct? Both are correct?
Especially.
Yeah, especially.
Huh? What is more correct? I don't know.
Especially.
With E? Then without E is wrong?
Yeah.
Ah, really?
Especially. Especially means something's a lot more special than something else.
Okay, so
And
then
especially means it's
especially
focusing on
with E is less special.
especially within E is like focusing on something.
Particularly.
A particular
Particularly.
thing. Yeah.
Okay. The other one, what I meant was like specifically. Then am I correct? Yeah, either way. That's fine. So then, then I'll put E at the start. Okay. In case in the future I forgot the E, you guys have to write it. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. Then what would you recommend to the owner?
Sell business.
Sell the business? No.
Decrease wages.
Wages, correct.
Capital contribution.
Capital contribution? No, there's nothing to do worry about the capital contribution. Capital contribution would have been required had the cash flow been worse. Let's say we have like not the net profit, right? This one, right? This was a kind of cash deficit. Then that's correct. Or bank overdraft, that's correct. But however, still, like without fixing the problem, right? Without addressing the cause, no pointing basically treating for the effectors. We have to treat to the cause. Yep. Yes, guys. What else?
You should hire an inventory loss manager.
Inventory loss manager. Oh, otherwise we have to train the employees. Yes.
You could switch to a cheaper supplier to decrease cost of sales.
Yes. Very good. But without compromising the quality. Any other? Yes, Sash? No, you don't know? Okay. Do you do business management?
No, I'm gonna do
No,
it.
you don't. So have you done?
No, I'm gonna do it next year.
Are you doing next year? Okay. Yeah?
Is there any way to decrease rent? Like, could
Yeah.
you move to like
Yes,
a cheaper
yes, to a
place
cheaper
where you- would that
supply,
be
but-
viable?
Yeah, it's viable as but that the owner has to kind of investigate, because if they go to a cheaper location, then it will be going away from the market, from the customers. Then that would further drop the sales. Yes, can you say, you guys from business management? What would you say in terms of business management? If you were a consultant to the business, given that sales dropped.
When that sales has dropped.
Literally business management.
Yes.
Improve quality production.
Sorry?
Improve quality production.
Quality, okay. What else?
Lean management principle.
But hold on. I think quality should be fine. See? Sales return is favorable, guys.
Investment in technology.
No.
Sales.
Sales. Sorry? Innovation, okay. What else?
Maybe a better advertising to sell more.
Yes, advertising. Well, see, now that's why I showed you the income statement, guys. See, no advertising here. Right? So you'll get us and also do business management.
I was going to do it.
You were going to do
I was
it.
going to, then I switched out of it.
Ah, okay. Right. So then, guys, yeah. So we have to do something with advertising, yes, to improve sales. Yep. Sales promotion, things like that. Okay, we'll write it.
Is it part of the same question, sir?
Yep.
Wait, so if it's an assess, do we have to give it recommendations on what to do better?
Yep. Sometimes you'll have to. I'm not going to worry about the quality because I don't think there are quality issues, guys. Okay, so sales return was lower. Inventory management or inventory management should be improved, right? Staff should be trained to improve their productivity, to drop wages and inventory loss. Is that enough? If you want, we can talk about the rent, right? No.
Can you like disclose non-current asset that would like result in profit on disposal?
But that's going to be short-term, Pranav. Say we are a delivery business, right? And then we are selling our delivery van, and we can make a profit. Yeah, this year, but what are we going to do next year? Yeah, it should be sustainable.
Do we ever talk about that maybe the business should like invest in like increasing assets like in stocks or
Expanding the business.
like should it like invest in something like stocks or real estate or something?
Ah, yes, that is correct. But that is actually kind of additional.
Mm.
You know, this what is the main mechanism in the business, Aston? Operating. That means we buying and selling inventory. That we have to improve first. Now, in this case, they can't do it anyway. Why? Because they are making a massive loss. Where are we going to get the money? If the business is making like decent profit, that can be made use to invest elsewhere.
Mm.
But like having made a loss, where are we going to bring money? Yes.
Mm.
But that's correct if the business is doing well. Even you guys can do the same thing, yes? In the future.
Can't buy real estate anymore.
Sorry?
It's getting harder to buy real estate.
Yeah, you are correct, but there will be, some way. There is a will, there is a way, yes? Some opportunities will be there, yes? Because anyway, now see, people are protesting, yes? Did you join the protest? Right? Okay. But then more people will come. Then that means where are they going to live? Definitely in properties, yes? There wouldn't be any drop in the need for the houses. That's why it's still there, protesting, yes, houses and
Just build more
increase
houses.
rent. Sorry.
Just build more houses.
Yeah, but it's expensive. Cost of building is expensive.
Decrease quality.
What?
You can. But
Decrease quality and
you
decrease
can
wages.
increase the quality, but you will die. Yes, the roof will basically.
Then make a new business for repairing the houses that you built poorly. Have a construction company, make really bad houses but really cheaply, then make another business for repairing those houses so you can make more profit.
No, but there is when you construct a building, there is a warranty, and also there are requirements, especially in Australia. You can't do like dodgy things. You can, but you might end up in the jail. Because why? It's safety, safety of the people. Yeah. Even like there was like a couple of years ago, there was an issue in Dandenong that the property wasn't being properly maintained. As a result, the house caught a fire because of the gas appliance, and then the small kid got burnt. He died. Kid died. Right? So that is like we are talking about constructing like the houses, not maintaining properly. That's bad. Yeah, that's why we learn. What is it? Not only profit transfer, ethical. And also, I haven't forgotten. I have to do the ethical questions. Okay.
Yes, I'll do.
But I have given the note. Yes, I have explained you the note. Yeah, remember I gave you the format how to answer any ethical question. Yeah, that's the only thing we haven't done the questions. Yeah.
CSR.
CSR.
General community.
So general community, and that's not only general community, also customers. Yes. Yeah. So that's why you guys will be accountants in the future, or finance managers, or CFOs. Then you should be concerned about the ethics as well. Yeah. Ethics as well. Why? Because businesses make profit because of the society and the environment. Yes. Society means all the people. Environment means natural environment. Right? So then, in return, it's a responsibility of the businesses to take care of the society and the environment as well. Yes. Yeah, we can't survive without the environment and the society, right? We have to take care of them as well, because businesses make profits because of the society and the environment, right? Now, if we become like people like Donald Trump, then we don't really care about the environment. Yeah. We don't really care about the environment. Yeah. Now see, like USA is one of the major countries that hasn't signed the Kyoto, the Kyoto Agreement,
Yeah.
which is basically we have agreed to almost all the countries have agreed to protect the environment. But USA hasn't signed it because they don't care about the environment.
Of course they do.
Sorry?
Of course they do.
Right. Okay. So, but Australia is one of the ethical countries. They have signed and they are practicing. Okay, guys. Then we are done with the thing. The cute. Yep. Okay, guys. Then shall we start the next one? Yeah.
This is last week.
Sorry?
This is last week.
No. Because for unit 2, we have to do the ratios.
Oh,
This is the last one for budgeting. Unless we do a revision. Okay, guys. You want to first read the question? Okay, this one I'll explain you what we are going to do. Now we have done budgeted, cash flow statement, right? Income statement. Is there any difference between the actual ones and the budgeted? Yeah. What's the difference?
So one's an estimate.
One is budgeted is estimation, whereas the actual is that something that has happened in the past years that can be verified by source documents. Yeah, but the budgeted ones we don't have an estimation. Yeah, no source document. No, we have an estimation. Sorry, we don't have a verification. Right? Okay, guys. Now, firstly, right. In this question, we are going to do a budgeted income statement. However, we have to do all 3 reports, right? The next question is doing all the reports. Okay. Cash flow statement, income statement, and balance sheet. Now remember, we did a similar question, all 3 reports, but for the actual ones. Yes.
Yeah.
We didn't do it for budgeted. Similar, quite similar. Okay.
So just do everything at once.
Everything at once. I like that. Right? So rather than doing it separately, we try to do everything together. But if you still find it hard, you will do separately. But did you guys practice that question we did? What we did in the past, that we did like all 3 reports together. You guys practice at home? Yeah. How many times? Sorry? Often? Okay. So you have to practice at least 3 times. You guys have to practice. Okay. Right? Yeah. in my case, I can guarantee that each and every question I have come across, I have done 5 times. That means if you give me your textbook, I would have done 5 times.
So you read the textbook 5 times?
Yes.
Every single question?
Yes.
You read every word.
Yes.
So you memorized it.
I don't memorize it. It might get memorized, right? But I haven't memorized. I can't memorize actually. Basically, I can't memorize. Boys usually can't memorize.
It's over.
Yeah? You accept?
Yes.
I can't memorize. So I have I ever asked you to memorize it? No. Because rather than that, I ask you to, I explain you the logic, right, theory and ways how to remember it, how to remember the concepts easily, rather than memorize. Okay? That's why I asked you to practice, and when you practice it, you will get it. And if it is a theory question, like theory questions, you have to, do a few times. Then it will go into your basically memory. Okay, guys, try that.
Good.
You okay?
I can explain.
You have a pen?
Yeah, I have a pen. Let me clean this up first.
No tissue. I was
No tissue.
checking for That's why you asked for tissue?
Yeah.
If you are done with part A, guys, tell me.
You're done.
It's actually done with part A.
No.
No, it's not with part A. Don't worry about the theory questions, I'll help you with the theory. I want you to do the working out part. Done? How much did you do?
How much money? 5 times. I think you wouldn't have it. Just my definitely.
Okay, so
Oh gosh, sales and discounts come on.
what did you do?
I just did this kind of expense.
How much is your discount expense now?
That's 500.
2,500?
Yeah, this is 5% or 50%.
Hold on.
credit sales.
No, bro. Yeah, that's wrong. Oh, yeah, sales is correct. How much is it? Yeah, that's correct. Calculate the discount.
So for this is July, August. Does that mean it's combined?
Yeah, that combined, it was 80,000. But which one are we doing? September. Yeah. So that part is the combination part is not important.
Yeah, I got it.
How much?
It's 1,400.
1,000?
100.
No.
So budgeted sales means the total sales, right?
Budgeted sales is total sales. Yes.
700?
Is it like a number or is it like?
Yeah, yeah.
So
Wait,
is it
700?
100?
It's not 5%.
No, I mean percentage is 5. I'm asking the amount. Yes. Yes.
Would it be 100,000 in sales?
Yeah, 100 sales 100,000 is correct.
Times 1,500, 1,750 in discount expense.
You are close but wrong. You are close. Any others? Yes, Christian. Have it? How much is sales? Yeah, that's correct. Sales?
Wait,
Do it. I'm with you. Sales is correct. I mean, easy. Yes. Did you get sales? Christian?
yeah.
How much?
100,000.
Yes. How did you get 100,000?
80,000.
700.
Hmm?
700.
Is it that hard?
70% of sales made on credit.
Yeah.
I mean, 70,000.
Yeah, 7,000, yes.
And then 50% of credit sales was 70 the same month.
Yes.
So that's 35,000.
Yes.
5% of 35,000.
Yeah. Oh, 5% of 35,000 is
700.
700. You sure? Thank you. 1,750.
Oh,
Is
I
that the
think
discount expense? Is that the discount expense?
Sir?
Is that the discount expense? 1,000. What?
What are you guys forgetting?
Yes.
What?
Sales returns.
What's the same by itself?
700. No, sales return you don't have to worry.
Oh.
You don't have to worry about sales return.
So,
Because you can, but I didn't expect you to do the sales return because if you are going to do the sales return, it will be too complicated, right? But you don't have to go that far. But you are basically forgetting a simple thing.
GST.
Yes. Yes, you forward, yes.
So the 27.
wait, so when you get a discount, does GST stay the same even after the discount?
Okay, so that means you sell?
1925. 1,900.
Yes. So when you do credit sales and you are collecting, yes? So how much are you charging from the accounts receivable? With the GST, yes? Shall I work it out? Make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense, Varun? Yep. So, firstly, guys, I'll write here. Sales is equal to 80,000 times by 1.25. Oh, you can say 125%, yes, which is 100,000. Right? So that's the budgeted sales. Budgeted sales, yep. Then guys, we are going to do the discount. Yeah, firstly we'll have to do the credit sales, right? Plus GST. So credit sales is going to be 100,000 times by 70%, which is 70,000 Then for that you are adding GST, which is 7,000. So then accounts receivable, total owed by accounts receivable. Yeah, how much? 77,000. From this one, 50% they are paying in the month itself, in the period itself, to get the discount. Yeah, which is 37,500. Yes. Yeah. Then from this one, the discount expense will be discount expense is 37,500 times by 5%, which is 19. Is it 19 or 18? 18. 1875, yeah?
I think 50% of 77,000 is 38,000.
Sorry, 38,500. Sorry, 38,500. 1925, yeah? Yeah, that's the discount expense, guys. Is blaming.
Does that mean the amount of GST that has to be paid in total is 10,000?
Sorry?
For all sales, the amount of GST that has to be paid is 10,000. For all sales.
For all sales, yes. Because why? The other 30% will be collected on
Cash.
cash sales, 3,000. Okay, guys, is that enough for today? Right. If you want, you can try it at home. Otherwise, anyway, we are going to do it at the class. Okay, thank you, guys, then coming today.